Hey, welcome to All Things SEO. Today we're going to go over how to migrate from Yoast to RankMath. The only difference between this video and the full RankMath tutorial video that I've done is the setup wizard has a one additional step process where you can migrate all the information from Yoast to RankMath. So we're going to activate RankMath by going to the plugins, add new, and let's skip the free account setup. And we're going to go with easy. Here you have the input data from Yoast. And if you have additional plugins like redirection plugin that you're using, or if you have redirection from the Yoast plugin, all of that will be migrated to RankMath. All you have to do is just start import. And that's pretty much the only difference between migrating from Yoast to RankMath and the full tutorial on how to use RankMath and how to optimize it for SEO purposes. So I hope you like this video. It's pretty straightforward. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.